Hi and welcome everyone. Thanks for taking the time to look at this one. X-ray shot. What are we looking at? What do you think of this? That's right. It's a symmetrical opening with a round spherical object and a massive high spout or stout out of the center of this area. There it is there. Massive tower. Looks like it appeared, right? Because I've never seen it before. And I've never seen it again, actually. This was many months ago, if not almost 6 months ago, during a full moon. Never, ever able to, well, see it this clearly. But yes, I can see it's there every time I go over it, but cannot see it. Now, why is it so bright on this evening during the full moon? This is the southwest side of the moon. You can see it here. You'll see different angles of it. Confirmed tower right before us right now, beside a crater. I'm not sure what the name is. I'll get it up the next video. And just the southwest side of the moon, just below Tycho crater. Off to the left of Tycho crater, you have this object. And you can see the outer limits of the moon right there as we're coming down to it on the bottom left. We're on the edge during a full moon. And this is what we can see. It's a tower. What the heck? And how come sometimes we can't see the tower? Look at the surface, the cutout areas. Ejecta are high walls? No, it's not supposed to. Real ejecta, a real ray system, does not have a high symmetrical wall like that with a straight edge. It can have a flat surface, but a high edged wall, I highly doubt that. Look at all the structures of this beautiful supermoon photo during the supermoon a couple of months ago. We can see the beautiful outlining of all the structures and anomalies. This is just mesmerizing. And later on in the video, you're going to see a path over 1,000 kilometers long leaving Tycho crater, goes all the way to the edge, outer limits of the moon. It's absolutely fascinating. This is an X-ray shot again to see different angles. What you're seeing dark right now is actually white. Everything you're seeing black right now on these X-ray photos are usually white. Here's the UFO I got. Split second before I adjusted, split second after I'm adjusting my camera, the UFO decides to zoom by. And yeah, he's in the area where I'm always looking, and he appeared. Now look at this line leaving Tycho going all the way to the outer limits of the moon. You see this spacecraft as I'm adjusting my telescope and camera. It was a split second. I actually only touched it once, the telescope. This is a very, very short period of time that I made it longer and slowed it down for you to see it. But yeah, they're there. As crappy as it was, seeing it this way, it's still proof. And I'm here for that, to show you that there are UFOs flying over the surface of the moon. I just saw one guy post a fleet. I shared it on my Google Plus page. The guy found a fleet of UFO crafts flying over the moon, and he got this live, clear as day. I mean, holy smokes! What other proof do we all need to see that there are others, other missions, jobs, and industries that are going on and that are related to Earth, and some aren't, but they're all over the galaxy, literally, which makes sense. They're mining some of these planets. They're trying to post communication centers, communication devices, towers, whatnot on many planets, and even, I'm sorry, but asteroids. Yeah, I'll be brave enough to say it. I've seen towers, symmetrical towers on asteroids. Starting to understand a little bit how this massive um, group of people or beings work. Here, another X-ray shot, but with the light technique added to it to get more contouring and detail. Another X-ray shot here. It's just drilled with all these. I mean, if scientists say that this is debris that flew up from the asteroid that hit Earth, these pieces are much bigger than debris. And why are they not cone-shaped, the craters? Why would they all be round? It doesn't make any sense. I've never seen slivers of an exploded planet be round unless they've been traveling for a long period of time and they've gotten round. If that's even plausible, we don't even know. We're still talking always speculation. Science is speculation in theory, unfortunately. That's all it is. Here are the outer limits of the moon. These two massive pipes or tunnels that come outwards of these massive structures, then plunge downwards in a straight line for many miles that can be seen wide enough on the surface of the moon outer edge. Look what's flowing at the top there. I have no idea what it is, but it's moving and it's on the outer edge. We'll get in a bit closer to see that there. Top left, you can see some white movement right there in the brackets going down to an accumulated white area where there's like movement of white stuff. I'm not going to say it's water, right? I mean, what do you want it to be, guys? There it is on the surface of the moon. And on top of it, me wondering if this is water or not flowing, there's two darn pipes or tunnels that are right beside it. Now I'm going to show you a structure or road or anomaly that's over thousands of kilometers long. Look at the bottom of the part of the video here. Look at the path leading left from Tycho all the way to the outer limit of the moon. With this X-ray shot, we can see it.